All right, so we want to build nice, decent trucks here at Lugnuts Garage. It's Matthew's passion, it's my passion, helps fund the car restorations as well. But it's just too rusty up here. So what are we gonna do? Well, we're gonna go to Texas. All right, so we headed down to Texas. Got us a nice 06 2500 Cummins. Beautiful, rust-free. Okay, it's not exactly beautiful yet, but it will be. It was a farm truck, needs a little love, which we can do here at Lugnuts. So let's take a look at the truck. All right, fresh from Texas, 06 Dodge Ram, Cummins, and Lone Star Edition. I have no clue what that means. I know it was a regional thing for Texas, not real clear on what it included. Started on an SLT package, we think. Either way, it's kind of cool. And check this out. We got the bonus package. All right, evidently, the Lone Star package comes with a bullet hole. How about that, huh? Nice and clean truck. Okay, needs some love, but what a Texan considers a rough truck and what we consider a rough truck, completely different worlds. Rust-free, got a few dings and dents. Let's take a look at the interior. This was a farm truck, by the way. All right, so the outside needs a little love, little bodywork, little paint. Interior, well, pretty much spent its life on dirt roads, I can see. So we're just gonna yank all that out. I'm thinking new carpeting, new seat covers. But again, look at this, rockers, rust-free. I'm so excited to work on a rust-free truck. All right, the heart of our beast, the 5.9 24 valve Cummins. Unmolested. Only aftermarket item here is the 4-inch exhaust with an obnoxious, and I mean obnoxious, tip on it that Matthew seems to love, which I hate, of course. Anyways, unmolested. We do know this had new injectors put in it before we got our hands on it. Other than that, it's totally stock. All right, so clearly not a factory 2500 put for a decent. I kind of like it. Matthew wants to change it. What do you guys think? You don't like it. I think it's kind of cool. So let us know. Hit like and reply. Let's get your opinion on what we should do to this bad boy.